Another natural disaster struck Canada on the eve of an incredible blizzard that struck the city of Edmonton in the province of Alberta. In some parts of the province, a record amount of snow fell in a short time, 40 centimeters. Also, the snowfall was accompanied by a hurricane wind, which in some places reached a speed of 60 km/h. Environment Canada is warning drivers to be prepared for snowstorms, high winds and limited visibility on roads and highways. Heavy snow and strong winds are expected in Alberta on Friday and Saturday. In areas of northeastern Alberta, snowfall of up to 30 centimeters is expected. Traffic on the roads was severely restricted and there were hundreds of road accidents resulting in heavy traffic congestion. Utilities have been put into emergency mode and are actively fighting the consequences of the snowfall. Also, terrible snowfalls occurred in another part of Canada, namely in the city of Prince George, located in northern British Columbia. As a result of snowfall, the city collapsed and there were power outages. No information about the victims has been reported. Subscribe to the channel. And we wish you good weather.
तुम इस दिन की मुलाकात को भूल गए थे। तुम्हारा ठिकाना अब दोज़ख है और कोई तुम्हारी मदद करने वाला नहीं है।